Why it starts with a dream. 1. The first spark. Everyone remembers the first spark. That moment you saw a bike not as a machine, but as a portal to the life you wanted. Maybe it was speed. Maybe it was rebellion. Maybe it was control over your time, your mind, your path. And from that moment on, the dream took root. One day, your own garage. Your own sanctuary. Not just a place to park, but a place to belong. 2. Not just a bike, a badge. To outsiders, it's just a bike. To you, it's a badge. A declaration to the world. I don't settle. I ride. Different bikes. Different tribes. But one universal truth. Each one is a symbol of a life designed with intention. A wealthy life. Not just of money, but of choice. Stick around, because later, I'll show you what the dream garage really looks like. 3. The garage is your mindset. A garage is more than concrete and metal. It's a mirror of your mindset. Is it cluttered and cold? Or refined, sharp, intentional? Every detail reflects how you move through life. The floor? Clean. The lighting? Mood. The bikes? Curated. Earned. It's not about having 10 bikes. It's about having the right ones. Each one telling a story of where you've been and where you're headed. How to build your garage goals life. 4. Start small, think big. You don't need $30,000 to start. You need vision. Some of the most legendary riders began with beaters. A dented tank. A mismatched seat. But it was theirs. It's not about what's in your garage right now. It's about what it represents. Discipline. Patience. Hustle. The seeds of a wealthy lifestyle are planted with every ride. 5. Curate, don't collect. A real rider doesn't collect bikes. They curate a fleet of meaning. Think about it. A cafe racer for weekend chill. A sport bike for adrenaline therapy. A cruiser for Sunday soul rides. Maybe an ADV for those get lost weekends. And maybe that fifth spot? It's waiting for the bike you haven't earned yet. 6. Of money, status, and 2 wheels. Yes, bikes are a flex. And yes, it's okay to want more. You want the house, the watch, the garage that opens to more than a Camry. But here's what separates the average from the exceptional. The ones chasing garage goals aren't buying toys. They're building an identity. Wealth isn't about accumulation. It's about design. And your garage? It's the showroom of you. The ultimate garage goal. 7. The 5 bike dream garage, cliffhanger setup. So what does a garage built on purpose look like? Let's imagine. 1. Ducati Panigale V4, for precision. 4. Performance. For edge of control speed. 2. Harley-Davidson Road Glide, for presence. For cross-country domination. 3. BMW R1250 GS, for adventure. For going where roads end. 4. Triumph Thruxton RS, for style. For Sundays and espresso. 5. 0SR/F, electric, for the future. 4. Silence. 4. What's next? Each bike tells a chapter. Each one is earned. But let me ask you, which of these will you own first? 8. The garage is a gateway. A bike isn't an expense, it's an engine. Of motivation. Momentum. Mastery. Want to afford this garage? Start building the version of you who deserves it. Learn. Invest. Grow. Take risks. Stack wins. Every time you open that garage door, it should feel like unlocking your future. 9. The final ride. This isn't about motorcycles. It's about meaning. It's about waking up to a life you chose, not one you stumbled into. About opening a garage that whispers, "You built this. You earned this. You ride this." So tell me, what's your garage goal? And more importantly, what are you riding toward to get there? If this lit a fire in you, drop a fire in the comments. Subscribe, because this is just the beginning. Next time, we build the business that funds this life.